Want to add a WhatsApp button to your Facebook page to connect easily with your audience? Here's how. Open the Facebook app on your device. Tap on the menu in the bottom right corner. Now go to the Pages option. If you don't see this option, just try to review the full list of options by scrolling down. Here, select a page that you want to manage. If you don't have one, just create it. Tap Switch at the bottom to confirm. Now, go to the menu in the bottom right again, and then tap on the name of the page at the top. Here, find and tap the three dots icon on the right. Choose the Add Action button option from the menu. Then select Edit buttons to proceed. Select the box with the option to send a WhatsApp message. Click on Connect WhatsApp account and connect it by entering the associated phone number in the designated field. When entered, click on Done and then the Send Code option at the bottom. When the code comes, enter it, tap Done, and click on Verify Code option at the bottom. Finally, complete any other processes if needed and you're all set. Visitors can now contact you directly via WhatsApp. Subscribe for more simple tips.